Please.
For the great taste that won't fill you up and never let you down. Make it a Bud Light.